Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer up at Wills and Dale's Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and we've got another vehicle. Now this is a little bit different than what you have seen in the past from us, but man, is this a nice ride. Talking about getting some people in here and you've got some space, but this is a 2016 Ford Transit Connect. It's the XLT series trim package, 2.5 liter engine in it. So let's do a quick walk around. Pretty cool vehicle, nice sleek front end on it, and you can see you do have the tinted windows. I'm going to get back here away from it and show this to you. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open the side door up and show you the room that is in here. All kinds of room that is back here. We'll see that here in just a moment. But to continue doing our walk around, get back here on the back. It does have a power lift on this. Lifts very easy. So here it is with the hatch opened up. I mean, just look at the room that is back here. I mean, incredible amount of space. To put it in perspective, you do have HVAC vents that are back here. And actually your seats right here will even fold down for even more room. And you can see you got storage space up overhead. Now you do have a backup camera and it's right there. So we'll go ahead, continue to do our walk around. Body appears to be in very good condition from what I can see. And here we go with the side door open. Show you the view from back here. There's ample leg room that is back here. Show you the overhead. You do have heating, cooling controls that are down here. Okay, here we are up front. Show you what the center console looks like. So over here you do have a two-tone color, tan and brown on the door panels. So let's go ahead and hop in here. Okay, here we are inside. Got the van running. Go in here and show you the gauges. The mileage as of now is 156,689 miles. Back away. You do have cruise control here on the left side. And this will go through the different settings on your instrument cluster. It does have Bluetooth capability to connect to your smartphone. Controls for that's right here. Now you get over here, here's the LCD. I'm going to put it down in reverse. There's your backup camera. And get down into this area is all the different settings. Now it does have SiriusXM radio capability. So, and your gear shift right here. Get down here is your HVAC system, your heating and cooling. And you do have a 12 volt for your electronics, couple cup holders, armrest. And you can see your back seat area. The center piece does fold down for an armrest. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2016 Ford Transit Connect XLT trim package, 2.5 liter engine. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Be happy to answer those for you. Got a lot of financing options available. So I hope you have a great day.